Hello everyone, welcome back to the EduBase. So this is the next math concept box in which we are doing a very important concept of class 12th, differential equations, and the concept is integrating factor. Integrating factor is used to solve a linear differential equations, but many a times you get 1 mark questions in your boards as well as some conceptual questions in JE which are based on only integrating factor. Especially for boards, direct questions are often asked. Okay, so when I talk about linear differential equation, you must be knowing that linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are either constants or functions of x. Okay, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are either constants or functions of x. They are not involving y in any case. So for example, I take this equation dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sin x. That's fine. Dy by dx plus p is 2 here, and q is sin x. One is a constant, one is a function of x. So this is very well your linear differential equation. Now what do you do to find the integrating factor? The solving method I will do in my video for linear differential equations, which will be coming up soon on the channel. Okay, in this video we'll just learn everything about the integrating factor. Okay, your integrating factor of this equation, integrating factor is e to the power p dx. That means e is the exponential function to the power of p with respect to x. So you are basically integrating e and integration e to the power integration of p. Exponential function and the power of that exponential function will be the integration of p. Okay, direct exponential function and the power will be integration of p. So let's take an example. Okay, not one example, we have just done this question only. So our equation was dy by dx, so this is your example, plus 2y is equal to sin x. Okay, this was your example. Alright, here your p was 2, q was sin x. So what is my integrating factor going to be here? E to the power p dx, p is 2, e to the power integral of 2 dx. You know how to integrate 2. E to the power, take 2 common, you're left with 1, and integration of 1 is x. These are basic integration formulas, you should know them. If you don't know them, then I'll discuss the integration formula video soon. You can comment on that if you want. Okay, integration of 1 is equal to x, because derivative of x is 1, so integration of 1 is x. Derivative and integration are opposite of each other, you can remember in that way. So e to the power 2x is your integrating factor. Obviously, now some of you who must be wondering that you should add c here, the constant of integration also. Definitely, whenever we are doing indefinite integration, we must add the constant. But here, because we have to take it in power, just for simplicity, we will not add the constant here. The constant we add directly at the end of solving the differential equation. Okay. In this case, we're just finding the integrating factor. You don't need to write the constant here. All right. One more. Let me take up. You need to find the integrating factor for this equation, dy by dx plus y cos x. Just a second. X will not be here. Dy by dx plus y cos x is equal to sin x. This is my differential equation. Is it linear? Compare it to the general form. Dy by dx plus p. P is a constant or a function of x. If this is p, you can write it py is equal to q. Yes, so it is a LDE, it is a linear differential equation where your p is cos x. Okay, whatever is the coefficient of y becomes your p, cos x. So what is the integrating factor in this case? Your integrating factor will be e to the power p dx. P is cos x, so e to the power integral cos x dx. What is the integration of cos x? You should know this formula is sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x, so integration of cos x is sin x. So this becomes e to the power sin x, and that is my integrating factor. Alright, so that's how you calculate the integrating factor for multiple differential equations. Okay, first identify whether it is linear or not. If it is linear, you have to bring it in the general form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. In that form, identify p, e to the power p dx is integrating factor. Okay, which will depend upon what your p is in the question. E will be always there, but the power of E will depend on the integration of P, and P will vary from question to question. It can be anything. Just it has to be a constant or a function of x, that is important. Fine. So your concept box is done for linear differential equations and integrating factor. We'll be coming up with another new concept very soon. Thank you so much.